the magic. Hey guys, well, let's hear from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am in my neck of the woods. This is the community that I grew up in. Always love coming here. And today I'm doubly excited because I'm going to learn how to make Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Alright? A community member, Sally, a lady who I grew up seeing, learning about making castor oil, is going to show me and show you how to make the real, authentic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Stay tuned. I'm going up to Sally's house. By the way, it's on a little hill, so you hear me breathing heavily. Yeah, there's all kind of trees, fruit trees, lots of cedar here, coconut, apple tree, custard apple, all kind of stuff. Oh, ackee, pimento there, yeah. Yeah, more pimento trees, beautiful breeze, and the beautiful poinciana. It's blooming now. Poinciana, beautiful, right? We used to call take these things, we call them shake. Let me see if I can find one to show you. Oh, here's shake. Remember this, guys? Alright, that's it. Sally! Miss Sally! I'm coming. Morning. Oh, alright, guys, so castor beans here. Alright, that's Sally, guys. Alright, more to come. So I am at Sally now, guys, and these are some of the trees, castor beans here. All right. Oh, there's pimento as well. There's some pimento here, drying as well, and a zinc. This is bonus for you. All right. And we're gonna go to the source now. This is where the magic happens. So Sally is already cooking. What are you doing now, Sally?
Some is on the fire now, boiling.
The boiling.
Yeah.
All right. So so the process has started, guys. This is right now. She's boiling the castor. What?
Oil.
Well, it's not oil yet, but it's the beans. You beat it already, and you're boiling it now. So we're gonna go back to the process. I'm gonna ask Sally, guys, to just give me a little rundown of the process, start to finish, and then I'm going to show you the step that she takes from A to Z, that hopefully you can make your own castor oil. Hopefully. All right, and you have pimento wood.
Yeah.
Wow, this is the real stuff, guys. This pimento wood here under the fire. We have some cedar here, dry cedar, but also pimento. That's the pimento wood. So this is the real stuff, right? There it is. Yeah. All right, good. All right, so Sally, the expert, is going to tell us a little bit about this process, guys. Sally, my friend, morning, it's morning still. Yeah. morning.
Good morning.
All right, so how long are you doing this? How long are you doing this, Sally?
I doing this stuff from about 7 years now. My mother used to do it, and till she get old now, I take up the job.
Okay, beautiful. But you start late, man. I thought you were doing it a long time ago.
No, my mother used to do it.
Okay, same place here?
No.
Around the road?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 7 years. So what is the process like, Sally? So outline to me and my viewers now exactly. The first thing you do, you're making, we call it Jamaican Black Castor Oil, right? Yeah. And guys, we say Black Castor Oil because it is grounded, it is dried, grounded, parched, we call it first.
Yeah.
Parched, and then grounded and boiled and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And when it went down to oil now, you strain off the oil, fill it up with water, and then skim it off when the oil come on the top and put it back to process.
All
on
right.
the fire.
So we're gonna back up a little bit, just for the benefit of everybody, because I want them to take. I want them to get it simple. The first thing you do is pick the castor beans.
Yeah.
All right, and I already show you guys what it looks like on the tree. There's a tree down here. That's a tree right here. Let me just show you quickly. Here again. Yes, so this is the castor oil. That's a castor oil tree, we're gonna call it, a castor bean tree. Right, this one, that's what the leaves look like. I'm gonna show you again the berries, the fruits. There it is, here again. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna show you again, there's another one there. I'm gonna show you again the berries being dried. So here it is here, being dried on a sheet. All right. So that's that. All right, Sally just stopped to put some more
Fire.
fuel in the fire. All right. Good. Doesn't get more authentic than this, guys. This is the real stuff. All right, so I'm gonna allow her to continue to do that. All right, 'cause that's important because we're gonna parch some more.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, good. All right. So that's gonna take a little while to heat up.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good. Very good. All right. So again, so the first step is to pick the berries. You call them berries, okay?
Seed.
The seed. Yeah. Same. Off the tree.
Yeah.
And then what?
Then you dry it.
You dry it. How long it take to dry?
Like 4 to 5 days.
Okay.
And then it prop out. You ox it out.
You ox it out manually or it pop naturally?
It prop out.
It pop naturally?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the sun.
Okay.
And then you pick it out.
Oh, so when it pop, because I heard sometimes that when it pop, it might pop and go far.
So me cover it up.
You cover it
Anytime,
up?
as soon as the sun get hot, me cover it up.
So when it gets heat, it might just pop and pop, like
Yeah.
a popcorn and pop.
Yeah, far
Good.
away.
Oh, so you cover it
So,
up when the
yeah,
sun get hot?
Yeah.
Alright.
So when them prop out, now me put it in a chair. Let me go feed chair.
Alright, good. Alright, so while Sally is going for the tree, she's gonna take the tree and show me, guys. But this is it. So right here is boiling. So we're not missing anything. She's just going to take the tree. The first step again is to pick it from the tree, which I already showed you, and put it to dry, which I already showed you, and then she's gonna sift it. So she's gonna show us that piece. We have a heavy breeze here, extremely cool here, because we're on top of a hill. So this is really nice, really cool atmosphere, really nice here. All right, so this is okay. So back to Sally here, guys. This is a tray. So after it's sun dried, you put it in the tray and what?
Fan it out.
Fan it out. So you get out the debris.
The
and
seed.
And
you get
get
out the seed like this.
okay. So you get the seed now. Look like all right, beautiful. So these are the beans.
Yeah.
The castor beans. We call them, guys, castor beans. All right. So you fan it out.
Yeah.
And when you fan it, you get it looks.
Just like
It looks
this.
clean like that. So no
Yeah.
dust, nothing.
No, nothing.
Okay, good.
So this wash already.
Good. So you wash it as well.
Yeah, this wash.
So you,
Ready to.
So hold on now, we'll back up a little bit. So after you take it from the sun, you sift it
Yeah.
with the tray,
Yeah.
and then you wash it.
Yeah. When me go like me wash it day before yesterday.
Uh-huh.
So me wrap it up in this container here.
All right. So you
Yeah.
wrap it up in.
Yeah.
So you wash it and wrap it in this here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. For it to what? Kind of dry again?
No. That's when me ready to boil it now.
Okay.
Me just measure and throw in the pot.
All right. So you measure with your old measure. I want to show
Yeah.
my readers the measuring. So that's the old quart measure.
Measure. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Good. The old quart measure.
Yeah.
Everything is authentic, guys. Good. You measure here,
Yeah.
and that's a quart.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
This is a quart ready to go in the pot.
All right. So the pot is hot.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna pour it in there. So what you're doing now is parching
Parch
it.
it, yeah.
Parch it. Okay. Parch it. Oh, you can take more than that.
Yeah.
Okay. So two processes happening at the same time. One is boiling here, and one is parching. The parching is an earlier step, guys. So pouring the seeds in the
So it's 2 quart in there now.
2 quart. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, by the way, your mom is still around, Sally?
but she not here. She in St. Elizabeth.
Okay, okay, good.
This is 3/4.
3/4, good.
Yeah, that is 3/4 parching now.
Good.
Yeah.
How long it take to parch?
About 10 minutes or so.
10 minutes. So the
Yeah.
fire under it, and
Yeah.
solid pimento wood. Look at that,
Yeah.
guys. Solid pimento wood. And you keep turning it.
Yeah.
Alright. And then it look at it look like it's a lot, man, for that. For
No.
this small pot.
No, no.
Oh, but it's good.
Yeah.
It's about 10 minutes. Alright, we're gonna leave that to parch, guys. We're gonna leave that to parch. And then we're gonna resume after a while. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, so the castor beans is just about ready now. It is parched now, right? It doesn't look different to me, but Sally is the expert. So it's finished now, and she's gonna take it off the fire, and
Straight
gonna-
in the mortar.
yes, we're gonna put it in the mortar. This is this good old Jamaican mortar. See there? What? It's deep too. All right, pouring it down, and then we're gonna beat it. So this is 3/4, Sally, you say?
Yeah.
All right, good. Good. And beat it now using the good old mortar stick. Alright, guys, this is it. This is the process. Beat it. It's very manual, man. So like how much? Keep beating, man. That's fine. How much when you like this 3/4 here, Sally?
Sometimes you get 1/4 buckle like that.
What
And little, yeah.
out of it?
Yeah, and sometimes you get it, you don't get it. Like you're skimming off it more than one time, you get it
Okay.
full.
Get it full. Oh.
Yeah. So sometimes you get 1 steel quart and little.
Oh, so guys, this is actually there's a reason why authentic Jamaican castor oil is expensive, because it is extremely manual to do the right way. Okay, guys, so while Sally is beating, grounding the castor oil,
The seed.
the seed, yes. There's another process, another set is cooking on the fire here, right? So that's a different batch, so to speak, right? But I wanted her to do another batch just to show you everything. Also, some chicken, cock and hen. Hey, you're looking on as well. Hey, all right, this is the real Jamaica, guys. I learned, I was doing some reading, Sally, about for castor oil. Keep beating, man, don't stop it. Full of, so it's you know, castor oil, guys, is, you know about it, especially Jamaican Black Castor Oil, mainly because of its health benefits for hair. Powerful, amazing properties for hair and scalp, but hair growth as well. But I also understand that it has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, good for all kind of stuff, including eczema, fungus, you know, foot fungus, those kind of things. You know, several stuff. I mean, for pain to rub joints and that kind of thing. I learned. So I'm gonna ask Sally, do you know anything else? I mean, people use the castor oil apart from here?
Some people drink it, but they say you cannot drink more than half teaspoon.
Okay.
For belly ache.
Belly ache, okay.
Yeah.
What, like
Constipation.
constipation?
Yeah,
and
constipation.
indigestion, those kind of
Yeah.
things? Okay.
One guy tell me, say, if any in scarce, you just pop this and you bite piece. But bite it in two and you swallow piece, so it clean out your bowels.
Oh, okay, good. So good for digestion.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
good.
me nah take it.
You know,
No, sir.
yeah, it's a
Me-
powerful product though, you know. Yeah.
But me know it good for pain.
Okay.
Cause the other day one lady sent come get some, say Miss Azra Jones. Say she
As well,
want yeah, say she want if he rub her knee them.
Good.
When you beat it, when it hot, it crack up faster.
Okay, good. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long that take to beat that now? Probably about
1 hour more.
1 hour.
Yeah, long. More than an hour.
Yeah. Understand. Alright. And then after you beat it, that's when you cook it.
Yeah.
So you beat it, ground it to almost dust.
So, you know, like when you're doing the chocolate and
Yes,
it
gummy.
Yeah.
Oh,
it
so
stick up.
it gets
It's sticky.
Okay. Guys, this fire is hot, guys. This fire is piping hot. the heat is terrible. No, see how many beat it so close to here, but the fire
Sometimes we go
further out.
Yeah.
Okay, it's hot, man. Okay.
But
The
these
pimento wood, guys, firing on all cylinders here. All right, so yeah, we beat it until it gets oily and gooey, and then after that, after that, you just strain it or just
no, me just leave it till that fried down. When that dry down, it have to boil down to oil.
Oh, so you put, so hold on now. So after you beat, keep on beating, man. After you beat this till it gets
me make
oily.
it stay in the matter till me take out that the portion. Then now, me put on different set.
Now when you put it on, you
put on the pot first.
with water, just water.
Make the water start
boil.
Yeah, cause it gum is sticky like the water. When it warm now, it melt here fast after it stick and so.
Oh, so then you just put on the water.
Yeah.
And boil and when the water get really hot.
Yeah.
And then
you take a spoon and scoop it out.
Scoop it out.
Yeah, scrape off it.
And then
and put it in there.
And drop it in, put it in the pot.
Yeah. And then it start boil. And
it boil. Okay,
yeah.
okay. You want me to help you beat it?
Yeah, man.
All right, guys. So I am going to help Sally now. So Sally's gonna take a little break, and I'm gonna help her. So let's see how I do. All right. Well, you do the hardest part of the work already, man. I'm almost finished. Why you good with the heat, man? No, man, it's okay. It's okay. It's part of the process. All right, guys. I am. What we call this? Beating it, grounding it. All right. Let's see if I can keep up with Sally. And our face. You have a nice breadfruit there, Sally, man.
Yeah, man.
Pass it, give me them, show me read. Pass it, them pops. Alright, guys. So I couldn't help. I noticed it. Sally, have a look at this. This is breadfruit. Everybody, well, you should know it. If you don't, let me give it. This is one of our. It is a staple food in the Jamaican diet, especially people in the country. This is a good one. Really fit and
ready to roast.
Ready to roast. Right? So, well, I'm not sure if Sally is planning to roast it today, but it would be a good idea when you finish with all that heat and the prevent how to drop it in there. I just wanted to show you. Nice, solid Jamaican breadfruit. Alright, let's get back to business. Alright, push this down here. Alright guys, well again, it doesn't get more authentic than this. Sally is making Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And by the way, the Black Castor Oil really, I understand, is the fact that it is grounded. So it's almost burnt, so to speak. So that's where you get the black from the regular, compared to the regular castor oil. Breeze heavy. Breeze is heavy, guys. But it's nice here, very nice, very nice. Alright. By the way, guys, this video is long in the making. I've been waiting for this video for a few weeks, right? But Sally indicated to me that it is all, there's some sort of art and science to it. We can't just make castor oil just like that. It has to do with timing, and I'm gonna ask her to remind me what you say.
My mother always tell me that you must do it on moon when the moon is shine.
When the moon shining.
But you mustn't do it on dark night.
Oh, and what, if you don't, then what happen?
Say you don't heal any oil.
You don't create the oil. So if you do it, you don't get as much oil.
Oil, yeah.
So you need to do it when the moon is full. Okay, there you go, guys. Right, and so it took a while. We had to wait until moonshine time. Now it's moonshine to start it. Yeah. So that is why it took me 3 weeks to get here, guys, because we were waiting until moonshine, all right, for it to get the kind of output that we wanted. All right, and meanwhile, the boiling here again, Sally, the boiling takes how long again?
Good while, sir.
About 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours?
More than that.
More than that?
Yeah.
So it is a very tedious process.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, you need to appreciate. And by the way, I learned that there's, as usual, you know, like any good thing, you have all kind of substitutes and fake out there.
Yeah.
And I learned that Jamaican Black Castor Oil, people people take the regular castor oil and just dye it, put dye in it, you know, or have all kind of other stuff out there and make it cheaper, you know, and fool a lot of people. But this is it, guys. It doesn't get more authentic than this. This is the real Jamaican castor oil, and it's coming together nicely now, as you can see, right? Moving from beans to residue, right? Coming together nicely, getting gooey, gummy, you know. And you hear the sound now. The malt is making a different kind of sound, now, you know. Alright, there you go, good. Good. So it's almost finished now.
Yes, this suit.
Finished now? Almost?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's still there on the fire. I go and beat.
Okay. Beat it out as fine as possible.
Yeah.
Let me just hold a little in my hand here. Alright, so this is it, guys. Oh, it's still warm and hot.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. If you can see, if you can look carefully, you see the oil coming together as well.
Yeah, and the top.
Oil coming together nicely, yes. Alright, and well, guess what? Sally dropped the breadfruit right beside him in the fire here. The breadfruit roasted at the same time, guys. Nice, fresh breeze. This soup ready now, man. Yeah?
Yeah, and beat more.
Can beat more.
Yeah.
Okay. But guys, next time you use Jamaican Black Castor Oil, you need to be appreciative. Because appreciate the people who makes it like this, the original, the authentic way. It takes time and it takes effort.
Man.
Yes. So far we have gone about an hour and we're still in the process. Take a look at this, the original batch that was going down. Okay, so it's turning. So what's gonna happen now, Sally? You gonna turn oil?
It'll go right down till it's turn oil.
Oh, so after
you
a while,
like it, see oil.
Yeah, we can see the oil. So
yeah.
So after a while, there's no water, just oil, or you have to skim it off.
No, pure oil.
So how you know when the consistency?
You can't see oil. I hear it frying.
Oh, frying. Okay,
yeah.
okay.
You go fry.
Oh.
So the more fire you put on it, the more it come down faster.
Oh. So it's pure oil, it turns.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't see it, man. It go.
Okay, we turn the breadfruit same time, guys. Okay, so you leave it open now, make it?
Yeah, make it.
Okay. You know when it open, it evaporate?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cover it. Oh, actually, that's another tradition. Guys, you say, Sally said she cover the pot because, tell me again, Sally.
I want to pick me there looking there, sir, because they say they eye too jive. Now we make him make no out.
All right, but this is it, guys. Coming down nicely. One nice cool wind blowing across here. Nice atmosphere. We're making Jamaican Black Castor Oil, guys. Probably going across again to get some more twigs and sticks to fuel the fire. I'm telling you, it's a manual process, and you know, if you use Jamaican castor oil, you need to be appreciative, seriously, the people who does it the traditional, the authentic way. Alright? No dyes added, nothing minus. This is it. Alright guys, so the castor beans has been beaten literally to a pulp. So this is a pulp. This is the pulp now that Sally is moving from the mortar into another pot. Alright, and this is what is going to be cooked. Now remember, we're working with two batches here, right, in the interest of time.
One is on the fire.
One is already on the fire, and one is being done as we speak. So this is the one that was ground. This was grounded earlier. This was parched earlier, sifted and parched earlier, and then beaten, and then we're removing the pulp. And this is what is gonna be cooked now to turn to oil. All right, it's gonna be cooked to oil in a little while. Alright, and meanwhile Sally's doing that, here's another tip, and she mentioned it to me. If you're gonna do this, remember, beat it when it's hot. You parch the
seed.
I almost said the corn. You parch the seed, the beans, and as soon as you parch it, pour it into the mortar or grinder, whatever you have, and then start the process right away. It makes it easier, and it gets more oil, I understand. Alright? Okay, good. Alright, we're checking on that again. It's coming down slowly but surely. I'll continue to push fire, guys. Continue to push the fire. Guys, so we're going in 3 hours later. It's coming together. The oil is being formed. Alright, you can hear the sound. It sounds a lot different. Very thick. Alright, that's it. Jamaican castor oil. Guys, there you go. You'll hear the sound. Popping, bubbling. You can see the oil, yes. Clear as crystal now. That's the oil right there. So what you gonna do now, Sally? You gonna strain it, or just?
No, but you have to cut down more.
Cut down some more. Okay. Alright. Good. Alright, guys. So this is the magic. You'll see that it's not just it's popping, and it's a lot more pronounced. You can see the oil a lot more now. So it's almost ready, Sally, right?
Yes.
Don't do me a favor, Sally. There's a thick part at the bottom there. Yeah, so if when you stir it like that matters.
Burn.
So what is that? So the oil is on top clearly.
That is the dung.
So what? Oh, the dung you call that?
Yeah, dung.
So what you gonna do with that? Just discard that?
Yeah, throw it away.
Throw it away. Okay. What's the next step, Sally?
Take it off now.
Take it off. Take it off, and then what? Strain it. Alright, so it's off. Alright, good. So that's the oil. That's it. That's the process. Let me grab that. That's the oil there, guys. And this was about what? 3 quarts? 3 quarts?
4 quarts.
4 quarts
Yes,
of 4 quarts of beans. Sorry. That was roasted and grounded, right? Mm-hmm. And now it makes the oil. So go ahead, man. Let's see. Let's see the next step. Alright. Oh, you have to cool it first?
Not really.
Okay. Oh, hold it properly. Alright. Why this fire hot, Sally, man? Alright, let me see if I get a vantage point, guys. Hold on, Sally. Alright, so yes. So alright, that's it, baby. That's it, baby. There. Good. That's it. Authentic. That's the word. Alright, so all of this is done. We're gonna throw away.
Not throw away now.
Oh, we're gonna
pull up it back and skim it.
We're gonna pull it up back again and boil again and then skim.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, we're not going back on the fire.
Oh.
Stand by for a minute.
Alright.
Back on the fire, man.
Okay. Alright, so just for my viewers' benefit again, Sally. So this residue here, you're gonna just pour water on it.
Yeah, and the oil will come.
And the oil will come to the top.
Yeah.
Okay. While it's hot, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. The water burning.
Okay, so.
Alright. This is good stuff. So when you pour lukewarm water on top of this, and she's going to leave it, and after a while the oil, she said, guys, will come onto Yeah, we'll rise to the top. Perfect, thanks. So, more water was poured onto the residue here, I'm gonna call it, guys, and it's gonna be allowed to simmer. Settle. Okay. Settle for how long? How long, Sally?
Next half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah, you see oil come up on the top.
Okay. So maybe not too long.
Yeah.
And the oil will just come all the way onto the top.
Yeah.
And then what you do with that? You merge
Skim it off.
Skim it off and put it with the other oil?
Yeah.
Okay, so this. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. But so this again is another exhaustive process. So how long will it take you to do this, sir?
Yeah. Yeah,
Good while. All right. So in fact, guys, we have been here since 9 o'clock. It's after 12 now.
On one set.
Yeah, on one set. Yes. So it takes a while, 3 hours. I said it before, but you need to appreciate authentic Jamaican castor oil. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes skill to make it happen. But that's it, that's the process. This now is going to be bottled and sold.
Cool and bottled.
Oh, it's going to be cooled, yes. Good. Cooled and bottled. That liquid that you saw, that golden looking liquid, it's Sally poured it back onto the fire in a pot, and it boiled it a little more again, and it looks a little more like this. This now she's gonna strain, and you're gonna see Jamaican Black Castor Oil in its purest form. All right, so there she is skimming off that extra stuff. Right, and then she's gonna remove that. That's hot, so be careful, Sally. You're gonna cool it first. Yeah, burn it up. Okay, all right. All right. So all of that stuff, unwanted stuff, is removed and it's strained. But it's extremely hot now, so you have to be careful. All right. So strain. Pour it into that. All right, good. That's it. That's what you get now, guys, when you buy the real authentic Jamaican black castor oil. That's it. Strain, clean, ready for the hair or whatever else you're gonna use it for. All right, that's it. All right, guys. So after all that, this is the end product. Authentic Jamaican castor oil, black castor oil. All right, no, don't mind the labeling. All right, that's just a regular bottle that you grab to pour it in. Right. But your next question, I'm pretty sure, is where can you get it and how can you get it? All right, I'm collaborating with Sally, so there is a link in the description below where you can actually order it, and I'll send it to you right from the source here in Jamaica. Right, authentic Jamaican castor oil. Thanks to Sally. I'm gonna ask her my favorite question, and you know it. If you're a subscriber here for a while, you should know. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos. And since you have seen the entire process, say something, man. I would love to hear from you. Share a comment down below. Okay, my favorite question, I'm gonna turn around and ask Sally now, and you know it. Okay, guys, so first of all, thank you, Sally, to show me the entire process. I'm gonna recall the process. Correct me if I'm wrong. First, you pick the beans, you dry the beans, and they'll pop out, by the way. I think so you have to cover them to make sure they don't pop all over the place. And then you take them out and you sift them, make sure all the debris is removed.
Yeah.
All right, I'm recapping, guys, so you get the whole process in summary. And then when you get the beans, you wash it again.
Yeah.
You say you wash it.
Yeah.
Put it to dry again to make sure it's clean and ready for the cooking. And then you parch it.
Yeah.
So you put it on the fire to burn, so to speak.
Yeah.
And then keep stirring it. After about 10 or so minutes, you take it off. Pour it immediately into the mortar. and start the beating process.
Yeah.
Beating, grounding, right? Beating it to a pulp. And then remove from the pulp and into the hot water, which is already on the fire. And it's boiled for about 3 hours again. 3 hours, stirring occasionally until it boiled down to just oil and that thick thing at the bottom there. And and then it comes and it looks like this, what is strained off, and then what after taking the oil off it, you pour additional water on top of the residue, I keep calling it, and then you skim the residue and pour it into that. That's the process, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. So thanks again for the process. My question for you.
Yes, sir.
What makes Jamaica special in your mind? What do you think? I mean, people talk about Jamaica, but what do you think? Why makes us so different, so special?
The good old Jamaican food, the ackee and the saltfish and the roast breadfruit and the sea.
Yes, all of that stuff.
Yes,
all of that
and
stuff.
the good old castor oil.
Castor oil, of course.
Yeah.
All right, great. Well, thank you again, Sally. It has been a pleasure. It's totally worth the trip. For those of you, again, guys, this is a trip long in the making. I'm so appreciative to Sally for allowing me, even though it's my own community, for allowing me to see the entire process. I never knew it, obviously, and so that I could share it with you. This is indeed the real Jamaica.
Thank you too, sir.
Yeah. All right, so there it is, guys. Look closely. It's the same. The final bottle here, the completed product, and this that she just did. That's it, guys. Really good.